Hello and welcome to this video on solving the valid compressed string problem. Problem statement is, we are given two strings, S and T. S is a normal string, and T is a compressed string. The compressed string T is formed by arbitrarily deleting 0 or more characters from the normal string S and replacing them with the deleted character count. We need to determine if the compressed string T is valid for the plaintext string S. The function checkCompress takes two arguments, S and T, which are strings. It returns an integer value 1 if the compressed string T is valid for the plaintext string S, otherwise, it returns 0. We initialize a variable j to 0. We will use this variable to keep track of the index in the plaintext string S. Next, we initialize an empty string num to store the number of characters deleted from the plaintext string. Now we loop through the compressed string T. For each character in T, we check if it is a number or a character. If it is a number, we add it to the num string. If the next character in T is also a number, we continue to the next iteration. If the next character is a character, we convert the num string to an integer and add it to the j variable. We reset the num string to an empty string. If the character in T is not a number, we check if it is equal to the character at the j index in the plaintext string S. If it is not equal, we return 0. If it is equal, we increment the j variable. Finally, we check if the j variable is greater than the size of the plaintext string S. If it is, we return 0. Otherwise, we return 1. And that's it. With this code, we are able to efficiently determine if the compressed string T is valid for the plaintext string S. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.